Welcome to the LeakAlertor 6000 video series. This video will cover how to change the battery. The battery in the LeakAlertor 6000 is designed to last up to 2 years. However, unintended alerts for leaks, faulty fill valves, wide open flappers, and running toilets will reduce battery life. You will know it's time to change the battery when the yellow light begins to flash during the flush cycle. To get started, lift the tank lid, set it aside, then remove the unit from the toilet. If any alert sounds, ignore it because you will be removing the battery. You'll only need a few simple items to change the battery: a thin, flat blade like a butter knife or a small screwdriver, a toothpick, and of course a new CR2032 battery. CR2032 batteries are commonly available at most stores. Do not use any sharp blades like a kitchen knife, an X-Acto knife, or razor blade. You risk damaging the sensors, circuit board, or the unit itself. With the thin blade, insert it between the enclosure front and back pieces and lift apart. It is very important not to separate the enclosure by pulling on the sensors. This could weaken or break the connection. Feel free to use a toothpick for the next steps, but don't use anything metal. Carefully lift the circuit board from the enclosure, turn the board over, and remove the battery by pushing it out from the top of the battery holder. Slide the new battery in, making sure the plus side of the battery is facing up. Gently press the circuit board onto the enclosure front, being sure to center the board onto the 6 ridges shown here. The slots at the top of the enclosure are for the sensors. Please note that there is only one correct way to fit the base onto the enclosure. Begin by holding the LeakAlertor in one hand and the enclosure base in the other as shown. Hold the base so that the small oval notch is to the left and the ridge is at the bottom. Flip the base over and onto the enclosure with the notch facing into the board and the smooth side of the base facing out towards the sensors. Firmly but gently press the base onto the front. You should feel the pieces snap together. Place the unit back onto the rim of the toilet. The unit will automatically go into setup mode once the sensors detect the presence of water and flash the green light for about an hour. Anytime after all 3 lights are flashing, flush the toilet and the LeakAlertor will go back into operations mode. Thanks for watching the battery replacement video. Please watch our other videos to learn more about the LeakAlertor 6000.